Well, a lot of us want the greenest grass in our neighborhood, so we are making some mistakes. And I went into a little detail. For example, one of the things we may be doing, I don't know if Randy, you even cut your own lawn, but mowing the lawn too short, scalping it, in other words, we cut the grass too short. So why it weakens the grass or moves too much of the leaf surface. And so the fix is one third rule. Never cut more than one third of the grass height at a time. And the ideal mowing height for our area, fescue or bluegrass, typically is 2.5 to 4 inches height. So just remember that. Also, improper watering. Too much or too little can create big problems. Shallow, frequent watering encourages weak, shallow root systems, and overwatering can also lead to fungal disease and wasted water. So the best tip is water early in the morning from 4 to 9 a.m., and then do it 1 inch per week on average is what you want to water. And finally, improper fertilization, the wrong type, wrong time, too much. You're dumping fertilizer on the lawn without understanding what it's doing, so it can cause excessive top growth and weak roots. I think I'm a victim. I did that. It'll burn the grass, though. Also, I didn't do that, thank goodness. The fix is test your soil first to find out what nutrients it's missing, and then choose a fertilizer suited for your grass type of time of year. Cool season grasses, fertilize in the fall and spring. Warm season grasses, fertilize late spring and summer. So hopefully that will help you in terms of getting your lawn looking like the greenest in town.